welcome back to Bill's Nanos. So, here's another product review, but this one is out of my own pocket. Hg didn't give this to me or anything like that. So, this is something I bought for my fish room. Now, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to convert my fish room using the least amount of power that you can. Eventually, I'm building up the parts and everything right now to convert my fish room to run off of solar. Okay, and that's going to be a AC DC. I just got to figure out my wattages and exactly how big of a solar array I'm going to have to convert my fish room over. But until then, what I'm doing is I'm starting to convert a lot of my stuff, pumps, any type of thing that's going to use power. I'm going to convert everything over to the lowest wattage that I can. Now, I currently have a pump that uses 55 watts. It runs 6 lines, but running the 6 lines, it really doesn't run the 6 lines all too well. So you actually have to run about 5 on it for it to work efficiently. So what I got here is a Hg 18 watt AC DC air pump. Okay, I'm opening the box right now as we speak. This comes with 8 air stones. Okay, there's a diverter valve that comes with it. That comes with 6 air lines that I can hook up to it. Does come with a lot of air line that comes with it. Here's my power cord. So in case the power does go out, that's the other thing about it. If the power does go out, you have to switch it over, but you can convert your AC DC and not have to run if you have to go days and days and days on DC power. Okay, it will run up to where's all the paperwork on it? I gotta find it. In fact, what I'm going to do, because I don't see no instructions here. Oh, there they are. Inside with the airline. Airline is some really good flexible airline. I just bought a bunch of it. This is clear. I've got some black coming. So this is the Hg067. Okay, AC DC pump. It'll run up to 300 gallons per hour. Cord length is 4 feet 9 inches, so that's not going to be a big deal. I have stuff for that. So working hours is 8 hours. So if you went out of power, you can run this up to 8 hours without any power. It does have a control valve to control the flow. All right, it's actually charged up right now at 100%, and you can hear it. Okay, I didn't know it was coming fully charged, so that's actually pretty cool for me. I just got to figure out here where the connector hose is for everything. Not there, not there, not there. There it is. That's what I'm looking for. So it comes with a pretty good length of hose to connect to the airline itself. It's a really good flexible hose. I think they're silicone based. Alright. But we're going to check out, because I got 5 units over here that I'm going to put onto this pump just to see how it does. Like I said, you can convert, you know, you can dial up how much air pressure that you want with it. It is portable. Does come with a carry handle. Okay, it's really not that heavy at all. I think the total weight of it is very, very light to me, but it really doesn't say what the weight of it is, but it's not even 2 pounds, I don't believe. So here we go. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to disconnect all the air lines that I have running to this one pump. I'm going to get them all connected, and we're going to go ahead and give it a try and see how it does. Y'all hold on, I'll be right back. So welcome back, everybody. I got everything all hooked up with the pump and everything. So I'm going to bring you over a little bit closer so y'all can see what's going on here. And I can lower this whole thing down pretty low. So that's what I'm going to do. So bear with me. So here's the pump and everything. And I'm going to bring you up a little bit more. So this is the pump. Right now it's saying it's running 6.8 volts. It's charged up to 97%. I hooked up 5 tanks with air, and they are running crazy. Okay, right there's one of them over here, and then I have 2 of the Korean Co-op filters as well. So all in all, burning less wattage, save power. The one good thing I liked about this air pump, and you can control your airflow 2 ways. You can control it through your diverter valve that has 6 diverters on it, but it also has airflow on the pump itself. So once you get things turned up, you can actually control the flow of your air through the air pressure dial. I really like that feature because when I got everything dialed in, all I did was turn up the air on everything, and everything is working fine except one. But I'll get it all dialed in. But all in all, I'm really happy with what I've accomplished with getting this Hg portable air pump and everything like that. And I'm going to tell you right now, I'm actually going to buy another one, and I'm going to put it on the other side of my fish room as well. I've got another rack that I started today. I'm not going to go as high as this one here. I'm going 1 brick lower on it, so I can keep the height down a little bit, so it's easier to work with. Plus, I'm going to do something a little bit different over there as well on that rack. So I'm not going to design it exactly like this one because I got other plans for that rack over there. So today has been a working day in the fish room. Everything been kind of hectic, hot, sweated a lot today. I've kind of neglected my fish room a little bit for the past few weeks. My job forced me to travel an hour one way to go to work, and it's not working out too well for me. So I almost lost a whole bunch of fish my Mickey Mouse Platties, and my Lyritel Mollies. So I wasn't able to change everything over real quick. It was a couple weeks, but I got a lot of survivors. Just goes to show you that, you know, you don't necessarily need to put air on everything, but like I said, I was on the verge of losing a lot of stuff. I lost a lot of shrimp in the tank, so I'm not pleasant with that. So my job not only cost me a whole bunch of money going back and forth to work, but they also cost me money in my fish room because they did a forced move on me to go from 15 minutes from my house to an hour from my house. So other than that, little updates on some of the stuff in the fish room. Everything is going good. My rice fish are going crazy. I've just put some more into the grow out tank. I had about 25 more of the Hg067 rice fish, and I put some spawning mops into the 1 gallon. I've already got another 8 over there. So everything is going really, really well in the fish room. I went outside, I checked the ponds, cleaned them up a little bit today. So it's been a busy day in my fish room. But all in all, I'm actually going to put a link for Hg to buy this off of Amazon. I don't get any money out of any of this stuff. I'm just doing a review. They were gracious enough to send me the product to try it out, to do a review on it. So far, I'm gonna be honest with everybody about this whole thing. My channel's all about saving money and not have to spend a whole lot of money, but still obtaining quality products at the same time. Hg, from what I've seen so far, I've got quite a few of their items now, and I'm really, really happy with it. And I didn't have to break the bank to get them. Okay. I know there's a lot of bigger companies out there, Fluval, there's OIC, there's a whole bunch of other people out there, and their prices are really, really high. And are their products so much better? I doubt it. They're all made out of the same material. They all had the same warranties. I got a year warranty on this like you would get with everything else. And I've had no issues. I got another Hg product over there. I'm buying stuff on my own, and I'm really getting impressed with the Hg products. And pretty much, like I said, I'm going to get another one of these pumps to work on my other tubs over here, and I'm going to be getting another, probably getting 2 more, because I want to start on my other rack over here as well. So I want to convert, I want to get at least 3 more of these things. I wish they had a bigger one that could run a whole lot more, but you know, I'm running 18 watts versus 55 watts on an air pump. That's a big change. And with what the 55 watt that I bought, okay, didn't even run everything efficiently like it should have. Whereas this one here, I can control it and it's running exactly what I need it to do. So anyway, like I said, I'll put a link down there to, I think I got it through Amazon is where I got this one from. But you can also get the stuff directly through Hg as well. So if you're looking for a nice air pump with a multi-valve, this will do 6, but it's burning a lot less power. So give it a try. I'd highly recommend it. I want to thank before I close everything out here, I want to thank everybody who's subscribed to my channel lately. Everything's been kind of hectic at work. I haven't been able to do a lot of live streams, but I will be changing jobs here in the next couple of weeks where I can really start focusing back on my fish room again and start doing videos, start doing lives and stuff like that. So if y'all bear with me for a couple more weeks, we'll get back on track with everything. But anyway, if you like everything you see on my channel, hit the subscribe button. You don't necessarily have to hit the post notifications, because usually if a subscription comes up, you'll get notified anyway. somebody who you subscribe to. I'm teeter-totter between 418 and 420. I'm trying to get to 500. Been kind of tough. I get, it's been this teeter-totter thing with YouTube. It's getting a little bit aggravating because one day I'm at 430, the next day I'm down to 410. So you don't know what the hell they're doing. I can't figure them out. So I'm just going to go with the flow, keep posting my videos because I'm not really worried too much about the monetization, the first one anyway. I'm really working for the 1,000 so I can get up there and really start getting monetized right from YouTube. But that's going to, by what it seems, it's going to be a little while before I get there. So I'm happy with what's going on. And again, I thank everybody who's subscribing to my channel. So with that, I have an email down in my about information as well. So if you want to send me an email, feel free to do so if you have questions on anything, or if you have any ideas of some videos you want to watch in the near future, just let me know. We'll try to get one hooked up. Right now it's beginning of August, so I think I got another month and a half before I gotta actually start pulling fish from the outside tubs. But I was out there looking today, and those things there are exploded. I kind of moved around some of the guppy grass and the hornwood I have out there, and both tubs have tons of shrimp in them as well. So I'm excited to see at the end of summer exactly what I end up with. So anyway, with that, I'm going to close out the video. This Hg, the model number of it is the Hg067. Okay, 18 watt. They have a 10 watt as well. Okay. The 10 watt only does 238 gallons per minute. 301 for the 18 watt. And that's about it. Both of them have the same working time on them. But like I said, I'm really happy with their products, and I'm going to continue to convert my fish room over to Hg. So that is that. Y'all have a great night. Thanks for tuning in. Feel free to make a comment. So y'all have a great night. We'll talk to you later. Bye now.